Now, baby, can you tell us what you're doing?
Fixing the ID of Forrest.
Okay.
Because Forrest G broke many times his ID, but now totally broke. Now I need to fix it because I forgot yesterday.
You tell us how you're fixing the ID? You have a needle and thread?
No, it's floss.
So you have a needle and floss.
No, it's not needle. The one that your floss that they have something in there, no?
Wait a minute. That's my expensive floss? The floss between my teeth?
Yeah. Because it's not easy.
I can't see through your leg. Move your leg.
It's not easy if it's just like this. It's a floss. You need to something like a needle, so it's easy to put inside.
Yeah, but baby, you know how hard it is to find those things?
I don't have choice. You know, buy this one yesterday. Need to change this because your son is making trouble. See, you're so lucky to have.
Well,
I put it in the back so nobody can look for shit. I do like this.
I'm going to tell the teachers. The teacher told us yesterday that he broke his ID. I'm going to tell her this morning. My wife fixed it. She used my dental floss. She's such a good lady.
Yeah, because I don't have choice because my husband is a cheap bastard. Oh, saka.
Baby, you use my expensive floss, those threaders. You know when you get a piece of meat stuck in your teeth, you can't get your floss in there. You got to stick that through near the gums, and you can pull it out, right?
Yeah.
Those are hard to find.
Girl, that's what I remember. That's why I get that thing because I remember.
I know, but I only got like 5 of them left.
No, they have a lot in there.
Now, did you check with me to request permission?
Nope.
To use my floss?
No. See? Smart lady.
Now, you refer to me as a cheap gentleman, but yesterday you just wanted me to go buy a new one.
Oh, you need to buy a new one.
But baby, I'm a redneck. If it's broke around here, we fix it.
You see? It's not totally. But now my problem is in here now. It's broke.
You'll figure that out too.
This one is not going to fix anymore.
Listen, if you need some tape, go down to one of the cartons.
I've been taping this many from the top, from the start of the no. I've been taping them. He keep breaking this.
If you listen, you know we got the cartons from our last trip to the grocery store, right? If you need some tape, just go pull that tape off of the cardboard box and reuse that tape.
You're so cheap buster, right?
But it's good strong tape, baby.
You
You just gotta pull it off easy where it don't pull the cardboard off, or then it won't work, big pumpkin. Baby, I'm not into fast fashion. I'm into things that last, reusing things, repurpose, reuse. I'm trying to save the environment.
I need this up.
Whoa, what's going on here?
To put in there.
No, baby, those are my keys.
Only for now.
Baby, listen, there are more of those down there in the key where we keep the keys. You don't need to take my key. If you take that off, what am I going to do? Carry 5 keys around in my pocket?
Sure care.
It's going to sound like I got a pocket full of change.
Yeah, I can use that in here.
No, baby, that's why everything is broken around here. My gosh.
Why do I not take that? They have a like this. I can use this one. smart.
Okay, well, you've already used my thread. Don't be using my keychain. And nobody wants to see that. It's too early in the morning for the viewers to see this. But baby, I'm not editing this out. My gosh.
Bye-bye.
That's why everything around here is broken. Because when a Filipina needs something, she'll just take it out of something that's not broken. And now they have two things that are broken. Now, what are you doing now?
Change the broken one. Change that.
Where did you get the new one?
The old
Did you get some tape?
Wala.
Okay, I'm here to help you out.
Oh yeah, I changed already. I get this, the old ID.
Aha! See, she just brought the wrong carton intentionally because she doesn't. See, look at her. Oh, Forrest G. Look at her. There's a perfectly good piece of tape here. Fatima. Okay, baby.
I already finished.
You are in luck. Okay, scoot over, scoot over.
I already finished. Yeah, finished now. I already done.
Okay, now come here. Look, I'm not done with this project. Now look, if you need some tape, baby,
Go.
just use your fingernail and just see if we can pull that up. Because some people
Who's that idea? It's yours, right? So you get that.
Man, I'm a cameraman. I'm a filmmaker. Come on, let's go. Just show them it can be done, baby. If we need some tape, we got plenty of tape right here. No, that's too fast, Big Pumpkin.
Because they're going to stick that in there.
Slowly. Patience, baby.
See, it's not sticky.
Patience. Keep pulling. You're almost there.
No.
Come on now. Go to work on that old girl.
Aga-aga na bibisit ka.
TCB, baby. Take care of business. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Now you got a good piece of tape if you need that to fix the ID card. See? Look at that. Now look. All right, you got to show the viewers. See? Look at that. You can even use that as a... you use that on your legs, wax removal. Or hair removal.
For you, put the video on.
Alright, that didn't work out so well, but here's some more right here.
Put the video on.
There you go, right here.
Try
You
ka.
need some tape.
Oh, kan. Oh, di ba wala? Ay, pagsamok-samok ka lang dira. Samok-samok lang guni siya.